Defender 90 hardtop D300X. It is VAT qualifying, and when it left the factory, it will have been the top model of hardtop physically being able to be produced. The only way you could improve that is then by sending it for a full exterior and interior conversion. The interior has a 5-seat Sterling seat conversion, reupholstered in red leather across the dash, the seats everywhere. Exterior, it's got wide arches, pod lights, side ladders, roof box. But then the car itself was special anyway. D300 engine, X model, which gives you everything from air suspension, heated seats, cooled seats, electronic deployable Towbar. Very, very special car. This Carpathian grey in colour, factory contrasting bonnet, then with the black pack. Wide arches, pod lights, snorkel, 22-inch wheels. Now, you may have seen a passenger X before, but you probably haven't seen a Defender X commercial. Very rare car, this. You've got those nice burnt orange brake calipers just symbolising that this is an X. But then wait for the interior. Full Sterling conversion. Door cards, dashboard, everything. So not only does it have the spec, it's a 5-seater, hardtop. So VAT qualifying. If you're looking for a commercial vehicle, then physically it does not get any better. 23 registration, done 26,000 miles. But this is a very, very special car all round. Now, some of you may be looking at this and thinking, I've never seen one before. You probably won't have seen one before, but you probably won't see one for a long time after this as well. Quicksilver exhaust system, Auidson sounding subwoofer. So again, all the features that have been put, it's a lot of money's been spent on this car, a lot of money. Air suspension, electric deployable Towbar. Now, the D300 power with the air suspension and the electric Towbar is the best towing combination you can get on a Defender. This has it. So the Towbar alone, if you go to Land Rover today, is about £3,500. That's before you have it installed. You then need to add the air suspension, and you then look for that D300 power. This has it all. Rear spoiler, side box. It's just a beautiful looking Defender, this. But then from the interior, it just gets even better as well. So a head-up display, a feature you don't see very often at all on Defenders, but this one has it. And then we're going to go through the rest. Larger media screen, clear sight rear view camera. It has got literally everything you can get on a Defender, but wait until you see what this sounds like. So that is ridiculous. Pod lights, I'll flick them on for when we go around the other side. Head-up display I've mentioned, but again, very rare feature. Adaptive cruise, heated wheel, digital dash. Larger media screen has navigation, media, telephone, cameras, heated seats, cooled seats, air suspension, which we mentioned earlier, but you can control that from here. It's then had some more accessories, so you've got dual wireless charger in there, extra USBs, storage, but even Sterling have gone through the armrest, through the centre. It's an unbelievable Defender, this. To find another is genuinely impossible. 5-seat Defender 90 D300X with that exterior styling. It's only done 26,000 miles. The car, if it was standard, would be brilliant, but then what's been done to it is just special. So if you're in the market for what I can confidently say is the ultimate Defender 90 hardtop, this is going live. Any questions, contact me direct on my mobile number, and I look forward to speaking to you.